Tinga ici iria irokire kumomora gicunjĩ kia itura ria Woodley gĩcigo-inĩ bunge gĩa Kibra kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi ikorire aikari ona matebarĩirie na ona gũtuĩka nĩ marabetwo notithi ya kuthama riuma ibinda rĩa kabindi meruka o mundu akigeria kubonokia kile kinini angibotire.
Hii demolition imefanyika, imewacha watu katika depression na traumatic situation ambayo itahitaji pia serikali kutumia pesa kuweka watu kwa counseling. Juu wengine wako paralyzed, wengine wako na cancer, wengine wako, they are very sick.
Kuringana na aikari aya, nyumba ici majereirie guikara kuo o kuma bindi ya bururi kwigwatira wiyathi na riu kieba kiao ni kuona maraigato na matonetio kuria mekuthie.
You know, if you have lived in a place for that long, 10 years, 20 years, you have some attachment, and just getting you out of it is not easy. It doesn't matter whether they are right or not. It is not easy, it hurts.
Aikari aya maugite mageria mao makurugamia kumomorero kwa nyumba ici igoti-ini ni mararingire ithiga riu magitigwo matari na wa gwika.
Actually, I cried this morning because I felt as if the feeling was like you have lost, somebody has passed on. Up till now, I still get emotional about it.
Gavana wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja ateterithitie ati kurari bata munene wa kumomora nyumba ici niguo kuthondeka mweke wa gwaka nyumba cia thirikari cia thogora wa thi.
The project must begin, and it begins on the 1st of December. Construction for 36 months. We have looked at the financing structure. There are some, the previous ones that were done, and I don't want to blame anyone because they were done before our regime. I think the numbers weren't properly done, but we've helped to rectify.
Reu guoya otigito kuri aria marigainie na itura ria Woodley amu matiuwe kana riri ni itena ria mbere na ria rikirira niyo megucokerero. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mercy Wadia wa Mũrĩithi.